Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the platform supports local split screen and the game is updated. This avoids incompatibility mid-setup. Next, sign in 2 accounts or set up a guest profile, because the game requires distinct player profiles to track progress and loadouts. Once done, connect and verify 2 controllers or configure keyboard plus controller input on PC. Then launch Black Ops 6 and navigate directly to multiplayer or zombies. Select the split screen option to initiate the session and allocate screens. You now assign each player's loadout and team because proper class selection prevents delays when the match starts. Then adjust the split orientation, horizontal versus vertical, so both players get comfortable viewing angles. Make sure to scale HUD size for readability on your screen. Once configured, set display resolution and performance mode. Lowering graphical presets or switching to performance mode improves frame rate and reduces stutter, which matters more when the GPU renders 2 viewpoints simultaneously. After adjustments, confirm and ready both players. You start the match and immediately verify controls and audio for both players so you catch issues before competitive rounds. If you notice input lag or frame drops, make sure to switch to performance mode or reduce resolution. These changes reduce GPU load and usually resolve stuttering. If problems persist, reboot the console/PC and reconnect controllers. For audio or voice problems, toggle in-game chat settings or reassign audio outputs. Making these adjustments ensures each player hears and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.